Welcome to this brand new video where I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with Airtel money. By the end of this video, you are going to be able to know how you can make money by pressing this phone, how you can sell airtime, how you can withdraw, how you can deposit money. So in other words, this is a step-by-step tutorial for Airtel mobile money. So Airtel money, you want to make money with the Airtel money, this video is for you. Watch it up to the end. And if you are still new to this channel, this is a mobile money Jibril, where we talk about making money and most especially mobile money plus all other methods of making money, but we do really go into details of making money. So subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss other interesting videos like this one of making money. So I'm taking you step by step of how you are going to make money with this. So and this is the menu of mobile money, Airtel money. So you can see a send money. These are the different transactions that are done. These ones here, they are the transactions that are really done, and these transactions, once you do them, you be earning commission or earning money from doing them. You can send money to anyone. You can actually buy airtime or data bundles. You can withdraw money. You can pay bills. You can buy goods, international transfers, and also financial services. But like in our area, in local setting, like in day-to-day transactions, the most common transactions that people do and make a lot of money are these three transactions: depositing or sending money, then buying airtime, then withdraw of money. So in this video, we are going to be looking at these common ones that we do really think that are very important, that they do make for people a lot of money. So the most important one is this number 3 that makes a lot of money, but nevertheless these two also make a lot of money for very many people. So once you want to make money with their Airtel money, so you need what we call an Airtel agent line. So an Airtel agent line, for example, here we are having an Airtel agent line. This one is an MTN agent line, but this one is an Airtel agent line. This is an agent phone. So we have an Airtel agent line in SIM too. So that's what gives you all this. So we are going to open, and then you simply, the only thing you do is you dial *185. Now if you are from a different country, please you tell us in the comment section in your country what do you dial, which USSD code that you dial, so that you can access your mobile money. But here in my country, we dial this to access our mobile money. Whether you have a personal line or you have an agent line, this is what you dial. So when you come to your agent line, for example, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to be dialing star. We are going to dial *185 hash. Then we go to SIM 2, which is the Airtel agent line. So we are going to be seeing how you can send money or deposit money, how you can buy airtime, and then how you can withdraw money using Airtel money, because those are the ways that you can really make money with this. These are the simple ways you can make money with Airtel money. Now with Airtel money, there are a lot of ways that you can make money, because you can also pay bills like electricity bills, like water for customers. You can also buy goods using the money you have on your mobile money account. You can make international transfers, like sending to other countries using mobile money. Actually, these days we are getting paid through mobile money for the work that we are doing. So with Airtel mobile money, you can simplify your work, you can make a lot of money, and actually you can make even between 200 to 200 to like even a million, even more than a million, using these methods that I'm going to tell you. Like, this is what you simply be doing. Now once you see, when you dial *185, this is what you see. You find that option number 1 is showing you customer transaction, option number 2 will be showing you bill payment at agent, then pay multiplex, super agent. All these are transactions that you can be doing. But for now, since I told you that this one is a quick tutorial that should make you kick to go and start, like after watching this video, you go and start making more money. So we are going to go into the transactions that you are going to do. So like for example, I go to number one, reply number 1. That's the most important user thing that you'll be doing day to day. So if you open number 1, you'll be seeing that when you open customer transactions, you are doing transactions to customers. So you'll be seeing that number 1 is showing cash deposit. So cash deposit is the same as sending money, although these companies don't like you to send money. They like to deposit on a customer's account, then you send them. But now when you're doing any of those, you use number 1, that is cash deposit. The number 2 is number 2 here we have cash withdrawal. The number 3 we have viral cash pickup. Then we have airtime sales. So at number 4, so the most then we have data, buy data, number 5. Then voice bundles. So the most important transaction that I want you to know is cash deposit, then also cash withdrawal, and then airtime. So we are going to start with sending money, that is cash deposit. When you are sending money, you come to option number one. Go to option number one. Yes, that is option number. It tells you enter customer number. It is saying enter customer number. So I am supposed to enter customer number. Let me pick a number here and then I enter. So maybe the number of the customer is 075 7073 Okay, if this is the customer's number, you press the number and then you enter the amount. Maybe you are saying maybe for 5,000, airtime for 5,000. So you wait and look, see the name. So here it will tell you cash deposit. You are depositing 5,000. Make sure whenever you reach this step, I always advise that whenever you reach this step, be very keen to confirm these three things. The first one is the amount that you are sending to. The second one is the type of transaction that you are doing and the number or the customer that you are sending to that money. If you want to avoid losing your money, this is like an extra tip. If you want to avoid losing money and you want to benefit in this business, or you want to make a lot of money without losses or with minimum losses, please make sure whenever before you put in your pin, like you see here, it is telling me enter your pin, to enter your pin to confirm this. So before you confirm any transaction, make sure you confirm these three things I always talk about. And then the three things are the type of transaction, the amount of transaction, and then the name of the customer. If you are really very sure and you have asked the customer that is your name called, maybe like here I'm seeing Abubakar given, if that's the name, then you put in your pin number. When you put your pin number, of course, the airtime will the money will go to that person's number, and then you'll get a confirmation in form of a message, or even you check your mini statement to confirm that the transaction is done. So that was with what? That was with the depositing money or sending money. So we are going to the second one. The second, that is buy airtime for the customers. So when you are going to buy airtime for customers, we go to sim 2. You dial the same thing, you dial *185 hash, you go to sim 2. You make sure that every time you are doing a transaction, it is all about dialing *185 hash, and then you will be getting your commission. But now with this Airtel, for them, they are not like MTN where you can withdraw your commission at any time. They give you a commission at the end of the month. So they'll send your money at the end of the month. So if you want to make some extra amount of money, or just do something that is so interesting maybe to you, that's what you'll be doing. So this is how you do the transaction. So we are going to buy airtime. Let's see how we can buy airtime. We are waiting for it. Now we are going to buy airtime. We're also going to withdraw money. I think buying airtime is very easy. So you go to option number one, customer transactions. When you go to customer transactions, you check. Now here we have number four. Number four is airtime sales. You come to number four. You want to buy airtime. Number two is buy airtime. So customer sales, you come and the recipient number, that is the customer's number. Let us use our same number here, 07570733396. When you put in the number, of course, you have to confirm. You put in the amount. Maybe you're buying for 5,000, airtime for 5,000. So here is what you take this step. You say top up of, when you top up, that's of course airtime. You just confirm the type of transactions airtime. Top up of the amount is 5,000 and the name is Abubakar given. So if it is yes, then you press. If you have confirmed that is yes, you reply with one. If no, you reply with two, so that it don't bring for you. Enter your pin to confirm that. So in this case, you enter your pin and then you have sold the airtime. So let's go back and withdraw money. In case you are going to withdraw money, what do you do? In case you are going to withdraw money, this is reply to no. Okay, let's go back. Now in this one, you dial *185. If a customer wants to withdraw money, you dial *185. Of course, you send that. Now here a customer wants to withdraw money. With Airtel, you first ask this customer to initiate. Like if someone wants maybe 50,000, you are not the one who's going to press it on this phone. Maybe like we are depositing or selling airtime, that you put in the amount yourself, that 50,000. No. So the customer initiates. The customer goes to the menu, finds something like withdraw. The customer presses on withdraw, then it will tell the customer how much the customer wants to withdraw. Maybe if the customer wants to withdraw 50,000, the customer will write in on his phone there that 50,000. After writing 50,000, the customer will put the PIN number. After putting the PIN number, they will send the customer a message that has a secret code. So that secret code, it's the one that you, the agent, uses. So it is the same process. You come to customer transactions, that is number one. Because you're an agent, you are dealing with customers, you come to number one. After coming to number one, you move to withdraw. Withdraw is number two. Cash withdraw. By registered, you put number two. After that you come and put the customer's number. Let us use the same number that we have been using. It is 0757073396. Okay, now here they are saying enter the secret code. Now, if you like, for example, here I'm just showing you, and I've not activated any secret code, or I've not put any pin to any. So secret code is given to a customer in his message, in that on that very number. Like it is like, let me try to put in any number. You find that it will tell me it is incorrect. You understand? Because I don't have what? The request has failed because I don't have that valid secret code. So when you're withdrawing money, use the secret code. Once you put in the secret code, it will bring you to the three steps where you confirm the type of transaction, which is withdraw. Then you confirm the customer you're withdrawing from. But it's not important with that to confirm the customer you're withdrawing from. But it is very important to confirm the amount of transaction the amount of money that you're withdrawing, so that you can put in your PIN. Once you put in your PIN, the money transfers from the customer's phone to your phone, and then you pay that money. So this is exactly what you do with Airtel mobile money. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything that you'd like to know that I've not mentioned about Airtel, and then make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be bringing a lot of these things. And if you really want an ebook, we are working on an ebook that if you want, you can make an order of it, for the ebook that deals with mobile money, how you can start a successful mobile money business, by Elias Jibril. The book is, we are working on it. You can make a pre-order if you want. It has both MTN, Airtel, and those other companies in the whole of Africa. So thank you so much. Let's meet again. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button. Thank you.